All right, after Uddhav Thackeray and Devendra Fadnavis, the Chief Minister's bag was checked. Chief Minister Eknath Shinde's bag was checked in Palghar. Chief Minister's bag was checked at the helipad located at Kolgaon, the police parade ground in Palghar. Inspection of Chief Minister's bags by the Election Commission is caught on cameras. There you see it. Eknath Shinde's bags also checked with equal intent. Election Commission officials who were facing allegations by Uddhav Thackeray of being biased. Here we're seeing in the last few days extensive checks of people from across parties, politicians across parties, be it Devendra Fadnavis, the deputy of Maharashtra of the BJP, Eknath Shinde, the chief minister of Maharashtra of Shiv Sena chief himself, and a host of other leaders who were checked. Nitin Gadkari, who was checked a little earlier today, Union Minister, BJP. So clearly the Election Commission showing in every way it's unbiased. In the latest, these are images coming in of Eknath Shinde, the Chief Minister of Maharashtra himself, complying with the Election Commission officers as they check his bags as soon as he lands in Palghar. Saurabh Bhaktania joining us live for more on that. Saurabh, please take us through the visuals that we have here of Eknath Shinde's chopper as he lands, being thoroughly checked and sanitized, all to see if there's any kind of cash which is illegal or any other belongings that he should not be carrying in a poll-bound state. He's cooperating.
Well, absolutely, Nabih. This is a very interesting politics which is happening around for this particular issue, especially which has been raised by Uddhav Thackeray. Because Uddhav Thackeray's bags were not just checked once, but twice. And Uddhav Thackeray actually went out with an campaigning for this entire issue. He was actually gathering lot of sentiments among the people while going for campaigning. He said that how that someone from the Thackeray family and that to the son of Balasaheb Thackeray has been checked, his bags have been checked, and this is the misuse of power and how he's been targeted. And therefore, this is now how Mahayuti is coming into this entire campaigning against of Uddhav Thackeray, saying that it is not just Uddhav Thackeray's bags are being checked, it is all the leaders, be it from top to bottom, all leaders who travel for campaign through this such helicopters, election officials do check their bags. First it was Devendra Fadnavis, then Nitin Gadkari. Today we saw how that NCP chief Ajit Pawar's bag were checked while he was in helicopter. I am just getting an information, Nabila, that Ramdas Athawale, the RPI chief and also the central minister, his bags are being checked while he was in Pune. So Mahayuti is right now giving out a clear message that look, this is the election which are going on. There is model code of conduct in place. There are election officials who are on duty, and it is their job to check the bags. They have to check that whether they are not taking any illegal items with them, and it is very routine process. Uddhav Thackeray is just making an allegation. It's making out a huge issue by taking the sentiments, playing with the sentiments of the people. And look, it is very normal. All the top leaders of the Mahayuti, be it BJP, NCP, RPI, everyone, all their bags are being checked. They are the top leader, they are the DCM, CM, central ministers, all their bags are being checked, and there is nothing new which is Uddhav Thackeray is making an entire issue of it. So Mahayuti is coming as an whole together, saying that look, what Uddhav Thackeray is saying is not true. He's just playing with the sentiments of the people. It is just a routine process of checking the bags.
All right. That routine process, even the Chief Minister of Maharashtra Eknath Shinde, is also subjected to. Thanks very much, Saurabh, for joining us. Now, fierce showdown in poll-bound Maharashtra after Maharashtra Congress chief Nana Patole sparked controversy when he said BJP will be thrown out of Maharashtra like dogs. BJP has now hit back in a scathing attack, calling the Congress's use of derogatory language as that it exposes its filthy mindset, that the party must brace for a humiliating defeat in the upcoming polls. BJP's ally Shiv Sena has also slammed Patole, saying post the results, the Congress will go to the dogs and that it is resorting to abuses as the party fears poll defeat.
मैं उनको सवाल करना चाहता हूं कि एक सर्वे करवा ले हिंदुस्तान की सरकारों का, सबसे भ्रष्ट सरकार महाराष्ट्र की निकलेगी। तो भ्रष्टाचारी सरकार का समर्थन करने और उनके लिए वोट मांगने नरेंद्र मोदी जी आए हैं या प्रधानमंत्री करके आए, तो आपको इस तरह से जो सरकार कर्नाटक की वहाँ जनता के लिए काम कर रही है, किसानों के लिए काम कर रही है, महिलाओं के लिए काम कर रही है, युवाओं के लिए काम कर रही है, वो सरकार को भ्रष्ट कहेंगे। और ये सरकार महाराष्ट्र को लूट के गुजरात को दे रही है, तो इसको सर्टिफिकेट देने आप आए हो, तो इसका जवाब महाराष्ट्र की जनता को देना ही पड़ेगा आपको।
इसी तरह का वक्तव्य नाना पटोले का आया है और उनका वक्तव्य बयान नहीं मैं मानता हूँ, वही उसी तरह से भौंकने का काम करते हैं और जैसी दृष्टि वैसी सृष्टि। वो भौंकता है हर दिन। मुझे लगता है चुनाव में वक्तव्य होना चाहिए, लेकिन वो इसी तरह हरकतें करके भौंकने का काम करते हैं। मुझे दुख लगता है कि कांग्रेस को एक परंपरा है, एक बड़ी परंपरा है, लेकिन वो परंपरा मिट्टी में मिलाने का काम प्रदेशाध्यक्ष करके नाना पटोले कर रहा है। वो जितना हमें गाली देंगे उतना जनता हमारे साथ और जुड़ी जाएगी।
Now here's what Nana Patole says in his defense. Listen in.
वो अगर मेरे समाज को गाली देंगे, कुत्ता बोलेंगे, तो मैं क्यों चुप रहूं? अगर मेरे ओबीसी समाज को कुत्ता बोलेंगे, तो मैंने भी कहा कि बीजेपी को भी कुत्ता बना के छोड़ दो, तो मैंने कोई गलत बोला नहीं, मैंने जो बोलना था उनने बोला।